This is in the harbour as well. Yeah, I can feel the wind pumping in here. Hey mate, welcome in. How are ya? How are ya? We're white capping right here too. Oh man! Right in the hole. And it's 14.5 degrees. There's a bit of fish scattered on the bottom too. So it'd be good to actually get an anchor down here. I know we're just going to get ripped around, but bro, this is so annoying. Across the nighttime. Drop a line, Aces. The only thing we're worried about is our anchor. That's all we care about when it's like this. Our anchor will drag and we'll get ripped into that. So that's the only thing. I haven't started yet. I'm trying to find somewhere to go. We're just going on a scenic tour today. Yes, Miss Jude. Straight up. Feels like it. Reaching out across the nighttime. Oh, no. Okay, sister. Hope everything goes well with the appointment, sis. I'll see you back later. Zion, welcome in. Appreciate it, sister. Tight lines, my guys. What's up, Ireland? Welcome in, Ireland. Top of the afternoon, morning to you, my friend. Tinu, thank you. Zion, thank you. Reaching out across the nighttime. Whoa. Shit. Nah, cuz, nah. Can't take you fishing. Why is it so deep here? That's so weird. Very weird. Oh, here's our hill. Oh, no, sorry, real Irish. Maybe in the... Hey, Becca, welcome in. Yeah, it's definitely choppy out and in the harbour. Big City Life, welcome in. When we get our charter up and running, bro, yeah, you can book in, my brother, with me and my kids. Cody Bro and Sons charter. Take you out to enjoy the day and go for a sleigh on the Pirates Parlay. Woo! I'm a rapper, team. I've been rapping since I was like 6 years old. DJ Khaled rang me a few times and I said, not another one. Didn't even care. Said, bro, stop ringing me, you know? Khaled, bro. You fellas know him? Probably don't. Just a random. I see heaps of fish on the fish finder, so I'm gonna drop the pic here. Do you know Khaled? We know Khaled. DJ Khaled. Across the nighttime. That's not you, eh, James? So somebody else is being you, James Anderson. Probably James Anderson. Reaching out across the nighttime. Boom. Wow. Rough as she. Wow, and the wind's picked up hard already. Oh well. Sitting over top of our anchor too, which is not the greatest. Right over top of our anchor. Oh man. This is not what we want across the ocean. Definitely not what we want. Holy hell, those whitecaps are getting bigger too. Oh, what? Bro, we might have to call it early, bro. I'm not even kidding. This is nuts. What? Whoa. No way. Shit. It's gusting now. Don't know if you can hear the gusts. Nah, because I got you in here. Hey, Secret, good morning, my mate. Nah, you haven't missed out, bro. We haven't even started, bro. Holy hell, I can hear the waves even crashing in the middle now. Oh, okay. Check this out. Big Red reaching a level 12. Big Red, congratulations. Good morning, Simos. Welcome in. Yeah, that's just crazy. Look at all the caps. Look at all the caps right there, team. Sitting over top of our anchor as well, which is not the greatest. Hey, Dan's Army, welcome in. Te my brother. Bro, that one's already picked up, bro. It's so annoying. All right, I'm going to stop complaining about it, to be honest. And just see if we can get a... Oh, no, I think we're moving now. I think our anchor's sliding. Jeez. Hold on, team. Sorry, we're just... Yeah. Spinning around. I think maybe we've caught anchor now. Maybe that means we've caught anchor now. Let's have a look. Nah, we're dragging. Dragging a little bit. Not too bad. We definitely got some current. Pretty poos. Paiana, welcome in, my brother. Hades, my bro, what's up, brother? Chit, brother Hades. Nah, haven't started, bro. We've just been driving around trying to start. 30K likes, team. If we could get to 100, let's freaking go. 100,000 likes. We are live 7 days a week, baby. Sammy, good morning, sis. Welcome in. I'm good, thank you. What's up, sister? Yee! It's really rough, bruv. Paiana with the level up to level 14. Paiana, let's freaking go, bro. Sorry, team, this is pretty crazy. We're gonna set up. Hopefully we don't move on anchor. I don't know. Don't know if we're going to target anything yet. These whitecaps are getting worse, and don't know if when the tide turns it's going to be even worse or better. Look at all the birds though. There's a dude fishing over there though, and they're waiting for his baits. But no, I did see a lot of fish on the fish finder, heaps. They're just literally stacked up right here. Don't know what they're up to, but I'm keen. Yeah, hard coast hard, definitely. That's why I came back into the harbs, bro. So just double checking here. Anchor seems to be not too bad holding. It's just the whole part if it gets worse going back. I'm not too far from the boat ramp. I'm like 5 minutes, but I'm going to make the call in the next 5 minutes if we need to go, bro. There's snaps down there, bro. See them on the fish finder. I'll just keep going. I'm not going to like... What I'll do is just get this out. It's already ready, so might as well just get this out. The burley's ready, bro. When they say why, tell them that it's human nature, why? Oh, bro, this is ridiculous. All right, Billy's going. Wrap it up. Take away my live bait rig. No! Stick bait. Micro jig. Put all those away now. We're left with bait and soft baits, which is still okay. Still some sort of fishing, but it's not the 6 different types we wanted to do today. You know what I mean? I'll be with you in a bit, chat. I still need to go toilet as well. We're going to have a couple minutes break. I'll quickly go toilet and then we'll come back and make the call. Make the call when everything's set up and ready to go fishing. All right. Yo, welcome in. Just hold up with me. Bear with me. Bear with me, team. I'm just setting up a fish. This yucky waste. Call it a day. You're making me nervous. I know. I'll definitely call it a day when my sorry. Sorry, team. All right, everything's ready. Cool. Just give me a 2 minute. Hey, Sister Soraya. Oh, no, not lagging. No way. Good morning. I'm just going on a 2 minute break. I just got to go toilet real quick and I'll be back. Should be back now. Are we back? Hello? Are we back? Are we back, peoples? Oh, no, I can't see nothing. Nothing. Hello? Nah, I can't do nothing. I can't see your comments at all. Now we're back. Now we're definitely back, eh? Is that correct? Should be now. Yes. Ah. All right. Can I just get a 2-minute break, even though that was like a 2-minute break? I just need to go toilet. We'll come back for a fish. See how long we can fish for until this weather pushes us out. See you soon. Thank you.